Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Oceanista quarterly subscription. This is a box for magical, mysterious women who embody the sea. It's $17.99 a quarter. What else do I have to tell you? And it's a gorgeous box. I did do their spring. This is their summer. So this is perfect because it's the ocean and it's the summertime. And look at how beautiful the box is. And I can't wait to open it. I have no idea what's inside. We're going to find out together. So here is what it looks like. It's beautiful. Here's our insert, I'm guessing. Spring 2018 featured artisan baubles by Betts. Is this the spring? Oh, it's a spring box. I thought it was the summer. It's the spring. Okay, that's okay. Now I know. All right, so this is their featured artisan. And then, oh, that's a ring. So then it does detail each of the items that we're receiving. It's called Spring into Boho. So we're going to get into this. Here is our, ooh, it's a circle towel. Look at this one. Ooh, so this is a colorful, this is the one right here. Oh, is it? No. Oh, it shows you. Oh, it's feathers. I love it. It's right here. This is what it looks like opened up. How pretty. We're going to the beach soon, too. We're going to Assortment Island. I love it there. And so I shall take this with. It's so pretty, isn't it? Oh, my gosh. All right. Next item. So I wonder if they're going to give... Oh, they do give prices. That's a $35 towel. So just so you guys know. And that's like super soft, by the way. A lot of those towels are like really thin, like that kind of Afghani material. This is an actual terry cloth, a thick absorbent towel. All right, then we have Beach Style Collective Scented Candle. Look how pretty it pops. It's a pop-out candle. Though, by the way, the items that you get in this box are not like chintzy. This is like really nice stuff. Always really high quality. I just love this box. All right, so, ooh, that smells like flowers. It doesn't smell like, I thought it would smell like, you know, beachy coconut. Ooh, no. Ooh, I don't know what this, but look how pretty. Just a white candle. Those are so nice. And look at the pretty box. You could give this as a gift. All right. So then I'm guessing this is our ring. I have a feeling in my heart. And look at this cute little box that came in. Oh, there's two. Ooh, are they stacked rings or like, how's this gonna work? Oh, how pretty. Oh my gosh. First of all, they're gorgeous and they're in like this rose gold, but they have these little curly cues. Can you see that? That's so pretty. I just love them. Oh, I think I'm gonna only be able to wear that one on my pinky. Oh yeah, look. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I love them. All right, so that is that's from Baubles by Betts. Oh, my thing came up. Let's see the retail value of those. And the candle. The candle is $45. Wow. And then those, it doesn't, oh, maybe that's on the thing with the featured artist. They're made with sea glass, which is really cool. They're $14.05 each, and they're 18 karat gold plated. All right. Then we've got a Sun Food. Oh, I love, they make superfoods. This is a raw organic superfood smoothie mix. Delicious and nutrient-rich premium blend. Organic, non-GMO, raw, vegan, gluten-free, and kosher. I love this stuff, so I will definitely eat that. So that is $3. Then we have a makeup bag. This bag contains magic. And this is from Primitives by Kathy, who you guys know I always say like, oh, Kathy, that's my homegirl. No, really, I'm a mermaid on the back. Isn't that cool? So this has like a tan style here with like a brass. That's like a very like rustic kind of feeling to it. So this is $17.99. That's gorgeous. And then we've got, I think this is our last item, guys. This is Exfoliating Body Wash by Oceanista. They have their own skincare brand, which they included this really magnificent night cream in the last box that I received. I think it was the winter box. And now it's a body wash, which I can't wait to try. So this is $16.99. Ooh, it smells like fruity, like I got it on my nose. So that is this box. It is awesome. I love this. What do you think of this box? Let me know down below. If you're interested in checking out my full review, I will link to that. If you're interested in just checking out Oceanista, I'll link to them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.